As a high-tech product, solar panels contain a variety of valuable resources that can be recycled and reused. Metal materials such as silicon, silver, aluminum, and special semiconductor materials are all essential ingredients in solar panels. After professional recycling, these materials can not only effectively reduce the need for new resource mining and production costs, but also significantly reduce environmental pollution and realize resource recycling. The solar panel recycling production line developed by our company can completely recycle solar panels, glass, aluminum frames, various metals and non-metallic substances, with a recycling efficiency of over 95%. When the waste solar panels are put into the production line, they will first enter the J-box removal machine. The J-box removal machine automatically identifies the location of the junction box and uses a mechanical gripper to grab and separate the junction box. The solar panels will then enter a fully automatic frame removal machine, which will peel off the aluminum frames of the solar panels without human intervention in the entire process. Then it passes through the conveyor belt to the fully automatic glass removal machine. The fully automatic glass removal machine can remove more than 85% of the glass on the surface of the photovoltaic panel. It is also equipped with dust removal equipment, and the working process is dust-free and pollution-free. The processed photovoltaic panels are transported to the crushing and sorting machine. They will first enter the shredder for shredding, then enter the crusher for secondary crushing, and then pass through airflow sorting for separation and dust removal. The entire set of equipment is equipped with dust removal and is pollution-free. It can ultimately separate copper, silicon, plastic, and other substances, and the overall recycling efficiency reaches more than 95%.